Wanted to make a quick video showing some of the features in the Zoom video conferencing software that you'll need to use for participating in the class. So once you're in a Zoom meeting, you'll have an interface that might look something like this. Right now I just have one other person in the video conference, but there can be many and their pictures will sometimes appear or disappear depending on who's speaking. That's normal. When you move your mouse into the Zoom window, a bar will open up at the bottom, a menu bar. It's got some options on here. One of them is share screen. When you click share screen, it's going to open up a panel and ask you, well, what is it that you want to share? You can share your whole entire screen, and that's usually the option that you're going to want. This will allow an instructor to basically look over your shoulder at what you're working on and give you some assistance. So you're only sharing the screen when we request you to, and only when you want to share your screen with us. Normally we won't be able to see what you're working on. So you select screen and then share, and that screen will be visible on the instructor's computer, and they'll be able to help you out with whatever you're working on. So I'm not going to share right now because I don't have anyone to share my screen with. The other thing down here you should know about is the Participants button. And you can click this. When you do, it'll open up this panel on the right side of your screen. It'll show you who else is in the channel with you. And down at the bottom there are some controls. You can raise your hand, for example, when we're in a lecture and you want to ask a question but not interrupt the person who's speaking. You click the raise hand. The hand icon will appear next to your name in the participant list, and then on the instructor screen it will show them that you've raised your hand as well. And that's how you can get some attention if you need assistance. Instructors are sometimes busy, so they can't always respond right away to you, but if they see that hand, they will get to you. You can also answer questions, yes or no questions, that the instructor may ask. Can everybody see what I'm showing you? You could go ahead and click yes. And that will indicate to the instructor how many of the students are responding yes and no to the question. You can also ask for the instructor to go faster or go slower. If it's going too slow and you're bored and like, hey, you could go a little faster through this, I already know this stuff, you could go ahead and click that, and you'll be giving your vote basically to the instructor like, hey, pick it up, let's go. You can also ask them to go slower. Things are going by too quickly, you're not understanding. We can slow the class down a little bit. And just keep in mind you're going to be in a group of people who might have different opinions, so we can't always respond to your specific input, but we'll do our best to balance the needs of the group. Those are the basic features that you need to know about the Zoom interface.